A faceless YouTube channel has managed to achieve extraordinary success within just 1 year. With only 8 videos uploaded, the channel has gained over 12 million views and generates more than $5,000 in monthly revenue by creating faceless history documentaries. This demonstrates the potential for anyone to achieve similar results with the right approach and tools. Welcome to Ask AI. In this guide, I will take you through all the steps needed to create your own channel using AI tools. To illustrate how straightforward this process can be, I'll share an example of a video I made in less than 30 minutes.
The journey of modern humans begins over 12,000 years ago during the last ice age, when humans lived as hunter-gatherers, forming small, mobile groups relying on nature for their survival.
This kind of storytelling forms the backbone of compelling content, and it all starts with generating ideas for your video. Using ChatGPT, you can ask for history-related video ideas. For instance, a simple prompt such as "Give me history YouTube video ideas along the lines of the entire history of" can produce a variety of concepts. One example might be the entire history of ancient Egypt, accompanied by a brief explanation of what the video could explore. If you're unsatisfied with the initial suggestions, you can always refine your prompt or ask for more ideas until you find something that resonates. After selecting your video topic, the next step is to create a script. ChatGPT can assist with this by acting as a YouTube scriptwriter. You can prompt it with instructions to produce an engaging script of your desired length. For example, you might say, "Write a 10-minute video script about the entire history of human civilization." You can further refine the script by asking ChatGPT to include storytelling elements, a clear structure, and relatable analogies to ensure viewer engagement. Once the script is generated, you can modify the prompt as needed for more precise results. To focus solely on the narration, request that ChatGPT extract only the script's spoken parts. This will be useful for generating the voiceover in the next step. To create the voiceover, head over to 11 Labs, a platform designed for voice synthesis. Begin by selecting a voice that suits your video's theme. Navigate to the voice library, apply filters to refine your search, and choose options like narrative and storytelling for the tone, middle-aged male for the voice type, and American English for the language. After sampling the available voices, select your favorite and add it to your voice collection. Then return to the speech section and choose the voice from the list. For instance, if the chosen voice is named David, you'll locate and select it for use in your project. Next, copy the initial paragraphs of your script from ChatGPT and paste them into 11 Labs. Generate the speech by clicking Generate Speech, and you'll instantly have an audio file of your narration. Listening to the result will likely reveal a high-quality voiceover. To further enhance the naturalness of the audio, make minor edits to the script. For example, remove unnecessary spaces, add punctuation like commas or question marks, and ensure proper capitalization. These adjustments reduce unnatural pauses and make the narration flow more smoothly. Repeat this process for the remaining sections of your script, generating and downloading the voiceover in smaller segments to maintain consistent quality. Once the voiceover is ready, the next step involves generating the visual elements for your video. This part is equally exciting and allows for creative expression. Using AI tools, you can produce images and scenes that complement your narration. Combining captivating visuals with a well-structured voiceover significantly enhances the overall quality of your video. This approach not only boosts engagement but also increases the likelihood of your channel attracting views and building a dedicated audience. By following these steps, you can create professional-grade faceless videos that are engaging and informative. With tools like ChatGPT and 11 Labs, the entire process becomes streamlined and accessible, even for beginners. The success of channels like the one mentioned proves that this method has tremendous potential. Creating compelling videos for YouTube can be an exciting and efficient process when you know the right tools and techniques. One effective approach for creating a high-quality video involves leveraging AI-driven platforms like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI for image and video generation, followed by using simple yet powerful video editing tools. Here's how to go about it step by step. The first phase involves generating prompts to guide your visuals. Using ChatGPT, you can craft detailed prompts for various scenes in your video. ChatGPT acts as an effective prompt generator, providing multiple suggestions for each scene. These prompts serve as the foundation for creating captivating visuals and ensure your narrative flows seamlessly. Once the prompts are ready, it's time to bring them to life using a tool like Leonardo AI. In Leonardo AI, navigate to the image creation section, select the Leonardo Lightning XL fine-tune model, and ensure you've set the dimensions to 16:9, which is ideal for YouTube videos. Copy and paste your prompts into Leonardo, and the platform will generate high-quality images based on your descriptions. To enhance engagement, these still images can be transformed into motion clips. Simply hover over the image you want to animate, click Generate Motion Video, and adjust the motion settings to your liking. The result is a dynamic, lively video clip that brings depth and movement to your story. After generating visuals for all the prompts, download them as MP4 files and proceed to the next phase, assembling your video. To begin, collect all your resources, including the motion clips, voiceovers, and background music. For background music, platforms like Upbeat.io offer a range of royalty-free tracks tailored for documentaries or other specific genres. Search for appropriate tracks, listen to a few, and download the ones that best complement the tone of your video. Next, you'll need a video editing tool to bring everything together. CapCut is a beginner-friendly option, while more advanced users might prefer DaVinci Resolve. Import your video clips, voiceovers, and background music into the editing software. Start by placing the voiceovers on your timeline and trimming any unnecessary silences or mistakes to make the audio flow naturally. Once the voiceovers are polished, add the motion clips to your timeline, aligning them with the audio to create a cohesive narrative. Adjust the positioning and timing of the visuals so they complement the voiceover seamlessly. Background music plays a critical role in setting the mood for your video. Import your selected track, place it at the start of your timeline, and reduce its volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Adding transitions between clips can make your video feel smoother and more professional. Simple fades, such as a black fade, often work best. Apply these transitions consistently throughout your video, but customize them for specific scenes as needed. Adding effects and captions can further enhance your video. Auto-captioning tools available in most video editors can generate subtitles quickly. Once captions are generated, you can adjust their style and placement to match your video's aesthetic. Templates can save time, but manual adjustments allow for greater customization. Adding subtle effects and filters can also elevate the overall visual quality, ensuring your video feels polished and professional. Once you're satisfied with the edits, export your video in 1080p resolution to ensure it meets YouTube's quality standards. Save it as an MP4 file, as this format is widely supported and offers excellent quality. After exporting, your next task is to upload the video to your YouTube channel. This involves optimizing the title, description, and tags to maximize discoverability. Tools like vidIQ can help identify relevant keywords and enhance your video's metadata to attract a larger audience. Creating an eye-catching thumbnail is another essential step. Canva is a popular tool for this purpose, offering a range of templates and design elements that make it easy to craft visually appealing thumbnails. A compelling thumbnail paired with an engaging title can significantly boost your video's click-through rate. By following these steps, you can produce high-quality, engaging videos for YouTube, even without prior experience in video production. The combination of AI-powered tools for image generation and accessible editing software simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on creativity and storytelling. Whether you're creating educational content, documentaries, or entertainment videos, these methods provide a reliable framework for success. If you want to see video more like this, subscribe the channel and get notified.